In the listening section, you will answer up to 47 questions to demonstrate how well you understand spoken English. There are 3 types of tasks.
The campus gym looks much quieter than usual this evening.
Didn't you order that textbook online last week already?
The elevator in the science building is out of service again.
Weren't you planning to volunteer at the campus festival tomorrow?
I didn't expect the campus dining hall to close this early.
Didn't you say your bike needed repairs before you could ride it again?
The student newspaper published a new issue this morning.
Weren't you worried about finding an apartment off campus?
Are you still thinking about signing up for that photography class?
I was, but I looked at the course page again last night.
Did something change?
The beginner section is full now, and the only one left meets on Fridays.
Oh, and that's when you usually work late, right?
Exactly. So unless my schedule opens up, it's probably not happening.
That's rough. You'd been looking forward to it.
Yeah, but I guess it just wasn't in the cards this time.
What can be inferred about the woman? What does the woman mean when she says, "It just wasn't in the cards this time"?
Did you ever get your watch back from the repair shop?
Not yet. They called this morning, though.
Oh, so it's finally ready?
Sort of. They fixed the battery issue, but now they want me to approve the cost of replacing the strap.
I thought you were only planning to fix the battery.
So did I, but I guess the strap was in worse shape than I realized.
Well, that's not exactly what you signed up for.
No, but at this point, I'd rather just get the whole thing taken care of.
What can be inferred about the woman? Why does the man say, "That's not exactly what you signed up for"?
Before class starts, I need to mention a change to tomorrow's field trip to the botanical garden. Because of the heavy rain expected in the morning, the bus will leave an hour later than originally planned. We'll still follow the same schedule once we arrive, but everyone should check the course website tonight in case there are any additional updates.
What is the announcement mainly about? Why does the speaker tell students to check the course website that night?
People often assume that when an ecosystem loses one species, the effects are limited to that particular animal or plant. But ecologists have found that the consequences can spread much more widely. In some cases, the loss of a single species can trigger what is known as a trophic cascade. A trophic cascade occurs when a change at one level of a food web causes effects at other levels. For example, if a major predator disappears, the population of its prey may increase quickly. That larger prey population may then consume more plants, which can alter the landscape itself. So the impact is not always direct. It can move step by step through the ecosystem. This concept is important because it shows how closely connected living things are. When scientists study environmental change, they often have to look beyond the most obvious effect and consider how one disruption may lead to several others.
What is the main topic of the talk? Why does the speaker mention the disappearance of a predator? According to the talk, what may happen when prey populations grow quickly? What does the speaker suggest about environmental change?